Is Dimitri on the slide. Three-pointers on the arm. Good for two basketball drive. Chico Rivera on the side. On the glass. Tobias. Player drives. For the Duffers. Wow. And using the fastest hand. Drive. Letting out. Good for two. Marina drive, lays out of the basketball. Drive. On the baseline. Marina, thank you. Russell, super 2. Marina, give up the ball. Lays it out, good for 2. The block is Victoria on the baseline. Jumper, super 2. They're drive, he lays it out, not good. They are still on. Drives.
Malakas kalaban na nila.
Jumper. Player. Dribbling from the middle. Lays it out, super 2. Victoria, Jumper, super 2. Russell, super 2. 15 seconds remaining.